It is also his first interview since the TD acquisition deal was announced. We've got to talk about that, which we'll get to, Jeff. But how about this rally that's faded today? Are we in a bear market or a bull market?
Yeah, it's really hard to tell. I mean, I think, the market totally was oversold. Certainly in parts of the second quarter, it really felt like death and despair, right? And you've seen that the market was really technically oversold. I actually think the market is reacting to something that's just, everyone uses the word unprecedented, but I think if you break that down, it really is unprecedented. There are no precedents for the markets that we're in. If you look at the macroeconomic backdrop, if you look at the shutdown of the U.S. economy, of the global economy, the bringing back up of that economy, the amount of fiscal stimulus, the amount of monetary stimulus, and then the reversal of that so quickly. When you look at history, as every market participant does in some version, there is no precedent for the time that we're in. And so I think the markets are simply looking through to what the new normal could be. They got oversold in the second quarter, and we're seeing a bounce here. Whether that continues, will be a function of the fact that we get more data. But it's not surprising given how bad the markets were.
Is it surprising, from your point of view, and you have a good window into the capital markets, that not really pricing in recession at this point?
Yeah, so the base case is that the Fed has never really raised rates as radically as they have. Every time the Fed has been behind the curve, that's led to a recession. That's sort of everybody's base case. The difference here, though, and why markets could rally and find this soft landing narrative, is that we've actually never seen how quickly they took rates to zero and how quickly they're bringing them back. And we have like $3 trillion worth of deposits still that are earning money. And banks are now paying interest rates on that money. And I'm a big rational expectations economist. The Fed has signaled exactly what they're going to do. Consumers are expecting a recession because they talk about it. So they're actually slowing spending already. And we're seeing that behavior already. So if you talk about it, it eventuates. And that, I think, gives...
But where's the market on it?
So the market is looking through that and saying that's a real possibility. I mean, the market is saying it doesn't, just because it's always led to a recession doesn't mean it will lead to one. And even if it is one, it could be a shallow one because we have $3 trillion worth of deposits and the consumer is going to be okay. Again, that would be the alternate narrative. And I think markets like this always climb a wall of worry. Right. So if everybody is bearish, the market will find a way to break through on that on a different narrative. And right now the market is trading on that narrative.
Pain trade is up, certainly for the last few weeks.
Yeah.
So in the middle of this unprecedented period, you sold your business, Cowen, for nearly $2 billion. Why?
Well, first of all, our new great partners at TD came and asked. I mean, it wasn't like we were looking to do that. But the team at TD and Riaz Ahmed and the folks at TD Securities, Bharat Masrani, who's the CEO, they said that they wanted to have Cowen be a part of the TD family. And I would say pretty simply, when a AA rated bank walks in your door and says they love what you do, and they don't do anything that you do, and they want to bring all the people over, and they want to build a business together as partners, like, how do you not listen to that? That's not something that happens every day. And so we listened intently to what their game plan was, and it dovetailed with where we think we can be really helpful. And I think, you ain't seen nothing yet. It's kind of that's
well,
what
you're staying on board. You're going to go be a senior executive at TD.
Yeah.
So what does Cowen look like for the next year or so, and as you get this deal?
Yeah,
done?
so I'll be the president of TD Cowen. Cowen will continue to run the Cowen businesses. We haven't really laid out the organizational structure in full. We'll do that over the next few months. But it will be all about figuring out how we create the right partnership and the right economic incentives for people to continue to do what they do. And I think this is, again, one of those rare examples where two financial services firms come together and there's no overlap in businesses and very little overlap in operations.